The AquaMax Eco Premium 3000 12-volt is the newest member of a very exclusive club, the Eco Premiums. These cutting-edge pumps sport features once only available in the top-of-the-line Eco Expert series, like infinitely variable speed control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and seasonal flow control, which reduces pump speed and electrical demand by up to 50% as temperatures drop. This high-efficiency synchronous electronic model also delivers 3,000 gallons per hour, drawing only 95 watts of 12-volt power. The low voltage, plus its built-in grounding plate that carries away any stray current safely to ground, make this pump the ideal choice for those koi pond and recreational pond applications where the utmost safety is required. And you don't have to worry about what's in the water. This Eco Premium can handle both salt and chlorine. The box contains the pump, the 12-volt power supply, a manual, and all required fittings, including those needed for inline use if desired. That said, the Eco Premium 12-volt is a purpose-built filter pump, designed to sit at the bottom of a koi pond and deliver fish waste to a waiting filter while covered with debris, going for years without clogging or cleaning. It can even draw water from two discrete locations simultaneously, utilizing the built-in secondary threaded inlet on the front of the pump. A sliding gate adjusts to allow the pump to draw all, some, or no water at all through this secondary inlet, with the rest drawn through the cage around the pump. Attach an optional AquaMax satellite intake cage to the inlet with kink-free tubing, and you'll have two powered bottom intakes to keep your koi pond crystal clear, guaranteed. Just match the AquaMax pump with the appropriate filter and UV to get the AWASA Clear Water Guarantee that you'll be able to read the 1-inch mark on a tape measure extended 3 feet underwater or your money back. Of course, all Eco Premium pumps feature environmental function control, which automatically shuts off the pump if clogged or run dry, and unique patented frost protection down to a -4 degrees Fahrenheit, that's -20 centigrade, so they can remain in place all winter long without fear of damage. Moreover, the Eco Premium can be mounted and used inline as well, by removing the wraparound pre-filter cage and using the detachable mounting bracket inside. The transformer has an 8-foot cord, and there's a 26-foot long 12-volt cable from there to the pump. For more remote applications, you can extend the 26-foot cord another 32 feet with an optional 12-volt extension cable. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the AWASA Eco Premium 3000 12-volt filter pump, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.